In this video session of geometry, we will go through lines and angles. What is this? This is known as point in geometry which has no length, no width. Let's name it as O. If we extend this point in a particular direction, then this length which has no width is known as line. If we put an arrow at the end, then this entire will be known as ray. So a line is a length which has no width, in simple words in geometry. If these two lines are in this format, then where one point is common and other 2 points are having a distance, then these are said to be included at an angle. This is known as the angle, which is generally represented in terms of degrees, okay, and denoted as theta. So the value of theta will vary from 0 degree to 360 degree. 360 degree means complete circle and 0 means overlapping. So this value will vary from 0 to 360 degree, and these two lines having one common point, other 2 points having at a distance, this one is known as an angle. Now there are different types of angle depending on the value of theta. Let's go through that one by one. First one is acute angle. If this one, the value of theta is less than 90, more than 0, then this angle theta is known as acute angle. Case 2, right angle, where theta equals to 90 degree. Means if a line like this, let's name it OA, OB and OC. So if OA is perpendicular to OC, then this angle is 90 degree. This is known as right angle. Case 2. Case 3, obtuse angle. What is obtuse angle? If the value of theta is more than 90 but less than 180. So this is known as obtuse angle. A figure like, we can draw any one like this. So angle AOB, whenever we denote an angle, the common point is in between. We will never say angle ABO. No. In this case, angle AOB, or we can say BOA. So in angle, the common point is placed in between, where the other 2 points are its sides. So in this case, angle AOB, this angle is obtuse angle, more than 90, less than 180. Fourth one is straight angle. What is a straight angle? If the same OA, if I like E, if A, O and E are on same straight line, then this angle will be 180 degree. Means the value of theta is 180. So theta equals to 180 degree. Then this is known as straight angle. What if the theta is more than 180? Then this one is known as reflex angle. For this, draw a line somewhere. Let's say F. Now, in case of AOF, there are two angles. One is this one, and second one, I'm drawing it with a black pen, is this angle. This one is more than 180, so angle AOF is reflex angle, inside is an obtuse angle. This is less than 180, but it is actually AOF, so this angle is reflex, more than 180, less than 360. And the last one, if is complete angle, means 360. If this data is complete, then it is complete angle, which is known as which has a value as 360 degrees. Okay, so we have total 6 types of angles. Generally in use is only 5: acute, right, obtuse, straight, and reflex. Maximum time in geometry we will use acute or right angle, sometimes obtuse, straight or reflex rarely. Okay, so let's go through other terms related to angles. Now, this is an angle AOB. What if so we have two angles, AOB and BOC. If angle AOC is 90 degree, means angle AOC is right angle. Right angles are denoted like this. Then angle AOB and BOC, these two angles are known as complementary angles. Two complementary angles means these two are adjacent ones, and both of these two adds to 90 degree. So AOB and BOC, these two together are known as complementary angle. Okay, so the complementary angle is two angles adding to 90 degree. What if these two adjacent angles adds to 180 degree? If they add to 180 degree, they are known as supplementary angles. Like if in case of a straight line, let's consider here is the point O and this is a straight line AB, and on this line there is another line like this as C. So these two angles, one and the another one, these two angles will add to 180 degree, and these two are known as supplementary angles. Okay. Now, what is vertically opposite angle? In case of two lines crossing like this, line AB and CD crossing at point O, then these two angles are known as vertically opposite angle, and these two angles are equal also, whereas these two will be equal also. We can prove it also. It's a very simple one. Why? Because if we name these as 1, 2, 3 and 4, so because on a straight line angle 1 and 2 will be adding to 180 degree, and the same time because of straight line angle 2 and 3 also adding to 180 degree. So 1 plus 2 180 and 2 plus 3 also 180. So, whereas 2 is common in both, so it simply means 1 and 3 are equal. So 1 and 3 are vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles are equal. What if there is a parallel line intersected by a transversal? What's a transversal? A line which cuts other two lines at two or more than two places. For example, let's say there are two lines like this and another line which is cutting. So this line is known as transversal. So if AB and CD cut by MN, as a result, how many angles form? The total 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So total lines 5, 6, 7 and 8. In this, 1 and 3, 2 and 4 are vertically opposite angle. Angle 4 and 6, 5 and 3 are alternate angles. Means here 3 and 4 are alternate. 3 and 4 are alternate angles. Sorry, not 3 and 4, 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 are alternate angles. Similarly, 4 and 6 are also alternate angles. If these two lines are parallel, in that case, these alternate angles are equal also. So in case of parallel line, one transversal, alternate angles are equal. So far we have seen opposite angles, alternate angles. Third one is corresponding angle. Angle 1 and 5 are known as corresponding angles. So, and all the corresponding angles are equal. Means 1 and 5 equal, 4 equal to 8, 3 equal to 7 and 2 equal to 6. Okay. So, as a result, in this there are total of 8 angles. Out of these 8, 1, 3, 5 and 7 are equal and 2, 4, 6 and 8 are equal. So corresponding angles, once again, opposite angles 1, 3, 2, 4. Alternate angles 4, 6, 3, 5. Corresponding angles 1, 5, 2, 6. Okay.